Hi, everyone, and welcome to part 4 of a 7-part series on marriage. Are good friends with your spouse? Do you rank your spouse among your best friends? Would you like to have better friendship or a deeper friendship with your spouse? Great. Today's topic is how to deepen your friendship with your spouse. Now, when we get married, we might not think of our spouse as our best friend. Many of us do. Some of us look for a partner, a companion. As the years go on, friendship becomes even more important to your marriage relationship. In the beginning, the physical energy, the excitement, the newness, the love carries you through. As time goes on, friendship is really important. Do you like spending time with your husband or wife? I hope the answer is yes. If the answer is, well, not really, we're so different, that's okay, you can work on it. So today, let's talk about how to deepen your friendship. Just think about a friend that is not your spouse, a good friend. What are some of those qualities that you like? First of all, the person's a good listener. The person's invested in you. The person cares about you. You care about them. Maybe you have a lot of fun together with your friend that is not your spouse. Maybe you do activities with that friend that you don't with your spouse, and that's perfectly fine. That's actually healthy. I have a girlfriend who I go to concerts with. My husband's not interested. He gives his approval. I give my approval. My friend is fine. So my female friend and I will, say once a month or so, once every 6 weeks, go to a concert. Friendships should bring out the best in us. That's really important. If you've had a friend or an acquaintance that does not bring out the best in you, then you have to take a look at your definition of friend. A friend doesn't ridicule you, lie to you, belittle you, excessively criticize. A friend cares about you, and you will know if someone doesn't care about you. With your spouse, it's important to keep on reinventing your marriage or your relationship. And what I mean by reinventing is exploring new things to do together, new topics. Let me ask you this. When's the last time you had a date night? Now, date night doesn't have to be a night, an evening, out to dinner, spending a lot of money. Sometimes you can have mini dates. Maybe you just ask your spouse or tell your spouse, hey, I'm in need of some quality time with you. Do you want to watch a movie? So you can stay home and call that a date night, where you just set aside some time for the two of you to do something that you both like, or at least one of you likes and one is happy to make a compromise. In my book, Re-Energize Your Marriage in 21 Days, I give you many examples and opportunities to deepen and develop a friendship with your spouse. So you can check that out on Amazon. It's an ebook form only, Re-Energize Your Marriage in 21 Days. And in that book, I do talk about date nights, mini dates, and the importance of connecting and reconnecting. You might go on for many days, busy with work, busy with family, and say, hey, we haven't had a date night in 3 weeks. Let's do something. Okay, great. Taking a road trip together is really fun. Even a half a day away somewhere in your region can help develop friendship. Some of the things you want to avoid are those topics where you clash, erode your friendship. There are topics that are important to discuss in your marriage, and there are some topics, according to Doctors John and Julie Gottman, they say that up to 70% of your conversation could be difference of opinion, difference of agreement. And so you can avoid those. Maybe you have different political beliefs or different beliefs about certain things. Why discuss them? Why bring them up? Why continue to discuss things that are contentious? Elements that just incite bad emotions, rising emotions. Friendship should be lighter, not heavy. If something is getting too heavy, then if it's an important topic, of course, discuss it. But if it's going to cause a clash, it will just cause you to head in different directions. So when you're developing friendship, you want to head in the same direction. And that's what's great about sacrificing or being selfless. One of you might want to go to a local parade, really want to go, and the other doesn't. Well, maybe get up and go. What's it going to cost you? If you keep on saying no to your spouse when your spouse has new ideas of doing things, you keep saying no, then that spouse is going to maybe just ask other friends to go and do things. And before you know it, you're going in separate directions with your interests. Now, I would say it's very important for you to honor yourself and your interests and to do what you would like to do, and your spouse can do what he likes to do. For example, for a long time, I like swimming. I still do. My husband likes singing. So he'll sing in different musical groups or choirs, and I'm not really into singing, but I will go to occasional performances and enjoy it. I really do enjoy it. And he has joined me swimming, being on a kayak. And so he's joined my world, and now we have our world. And sometimes I join his world, and we have our world over there as well. So friendship does involve making sacrifices, doing the little things. Okay, you don't have to have big trips. Little things are very important. Little things day to day. What can you do day to day to build on your friendship? If you have any comments, I'd like to hear. What are some of your ideas that you can share that you are doing to build your friendship? I would say friendship is really important. Friendship can help get us through hard times, lighten up, laugh. This is your buddy who you know you can count on. You can do things together. You can do things separately. But friendship is really important, especially into older age. Older age might require helping and serving your partner when they have physical or mental breakdowns or issues. And so friendship is really love. Friendship is love. Thanks for joining me today, and make your marriage great.